Hi there, Nicole here again. We're gonna talk today about home office expenses. If you are a small business owner or a freelancer who works from home, this video is for you. You can claim home office expenses in order to reduce your tax liability. So, let's get started. Firstly, you have to have a designated space in your house or apartment for work exclusively. You can have one room or part of the room or part of the living room or part of your basement. In order to claim the expenses, we have to establish the percentage of the space for work, percentage out of your home. So for example, if you have 4 bedrooms and one you use for the work, then your percentage will be 25%. 1 divided by 4 is 25%. Another way to calculate if it's not an entire room designated for work, then will be percentage calculated based on the square feet. So if your house has 1,000 square feet and your space work is only so much, then you will put you'll calculate the percentage. In this case, I wouldn't go more than 10 or 15%. Why I'm saying that? I've seen that Canada Revenue Agency uh, likes to visit the spaces who claims more than 25%. But if it's true that you are using 25 or 30% of your home for business purpose, you might have tools, you might have a lot of gadgets around your desk for the business, then please go with the true value. If you use 30%, go with 30%. But if you are like a content writer or an accountant like me, we don't have so many tools, I wouldn't go more than 15%. If you use a percent based on the square feet. If you use a room, like I said, go for the 25% in the example given. But for the sake of the video, let's make a round amount and I will go with 20%. Not to upset, not to trigger the visit from Canada Revenue Agency, and to be reasonable as well. So this is the second step and we accomplished. Firstly, it was establish a space. Second, establish the percentage. Third, add the bills. What bills we can claim for the business purpose? These are water, gas, electricity, waste disposal, interest for mortgage, property tax, insurance for the house, maintenance. Maintenance for exclusively for the space allocated for business, and maintenance for the house in general. Water, electricity, interest for mortgage, and insurance, you cannot really allocate for space. But maintenance for the space you might have, and then you can claim it. For example, if you paint the room where you are working for the business, then you can claim the paint, the contractor you paid to paint the room, or maybe you replace the window, and whatever you done there, you can claim it 100%. But if you did a expense, if you incur expense generally for the house, for example, you uh, replace the plumbing, or you maintain the lawn of the house, then these are claimed based on the percentage. I'm gonna put the list with all expenses in the description, so you don't really need to have to write it down. But I will want to like to hear what I'm saying. Maybe you will remember more. Um, so this was the third step, add all your bills. And after that, of course, you're gonna apply the percentage to the expenses, and you put it in a nice Excel spreadsheet and you send it to your accountant. Now, the fourth thing I want you to know, you can claim these expenses even if you are sole proprietor or self-employed, or if your business is incorporated. No matter how you run your business, you can claim this tax. You can claim these expenses when you do your taxes. And be bold. Don't be bold. What I'm saying, claim your expenses. Mostly I've seen people don't put the maintenance expenses, and I have to remind them, hey, you didn't do any repair, you didn't change something in your house, and oh yeah, I changed the bathroom, for example. And even for that, you can claim that 20% on your deduction, because bathroom is part of the house, and general expenses for the house goes for 20% application in our example here, like I said. So I'm gonna do a short recap and I'll let you go after that. First, designate the space. Second, calculate the percentage. Third, add all the bills. Four, send it to your accountant no matter how you run the business, self-employed or incorporated. And I would say four, enjoy the deduction which you just created now and enjoy a lower tax liability. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please subscribe and share this with your friends. And until next time, make your life easy. Bye.